I'm going to tell you the reality, what needs to be done, how you can get to your goals. All right, you need to watch the end of this video. This video will teach you how to improve your life. This video, I've been there. We're in a place where we want to achieve our goals. We keep breaking promises to ourselves. We're fat. We're sad. You know, and whether you feel like you're emotionally eating or not, you are. You're seeking comfort in the food, and I've seek comfort in the food as well. You know, and when you eat food and watch things as well, you're stimulating yourself. You're trying to distract yourself. You're trying to escape from reality. So just be in the moment and really absorb what I'm going to tell you. Really absorb what I'm going to tell you. Okay, because nobody's going to cry for you, bro. Nobody's going to cry for you. It's you, bro. It's you. You got to do this yourself, bro. God willing. You got to do this yourself. This is your battle. No one else's. People might feel sorry for you for a second and act like it, but really it's just you, bro. It's just you in this fight. It's just you in this battle. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you what's going on. You know, I'm gonna tell you what's happening. You know, I was the same, bro. I used to love ice cream and crisps. You know, I still do, but I've lost the weight. You know, I'm not a fat blob anymore. You know, I'm not one of those people anymore that I don't really want to be all big and healthy and all that. Shut your mouth about you don't want to be healthy, bruv. What do you mean you don't want to be healthy, bruv? You don't want to be healthy. You don't want to look attractive. You don't want to be able to go up the stairs without being out of breath. What do you mean about you don't want to be healthy? Because that's not making sense. It's not adding up. It's not adding up. You see, you try stuff. You try diets and you make excuses. You try to commit to it and then you make excuses. You start for 2 weeks and then you come off of it. You have the motivation for maybe 3 weeks and then you come off of it. Because you keep breaking promises. You don't commit to yourself. You don't commit to it. Right now you might be in ruins. You might be in ruins right now. You might be in the lowest point in your life. The lowest point in your life. You might be fully overweight or even skinny and honestly, just you look at yourself and you're just appalled by it. The actions you've done, the way you've behaved, what your life has come to. You know, you thought you would have been so much further in life than you were now. And you feel so behind, you feel like everyone around you is accelerating and you're just in a pit. You're just in a pit. And this is how we can try and claw our way out of the pit. You know? Because nobody's going to cry for you. That's you, bro. You're going to have to claw out the pit, bro. Your hands are going to ache clawing out the pit. But only you can do it. Okay? So I'm going to tell you how. Okay? How we can improve ourselves. We don't be one of them people that just live in the pit and stay in the pit and drag people down into the pit. We don't want to be one of them people. We want to be one of the people that are climbing out of the pit, striving and helping other people out of the pit when we make it out. Okay? Start by writing something down. Okay? Get a piece of paper, even Google Notes. Write down what you want to do. Today I'm going to work out. Maybe you're at work right now on your break. Maybe you're early in the morning and you don't have time to work out in the morning. And you have time at the end of the day though. You can make time. Okay? By moving things around that aren't important, that aren't a priority. Okay? Such as I have a video gaming session in an hour with the boys. Shut up. No. Is that gonna improve you in 10 years' time? In 10 years' time, if you're going to the gym every day in that 1 hour slot, rather than playing video games, where are you gonna be? You're gonna be fit and healthy, or you're gonna be like a bum playing video games in 10 years' time. In the same old spot. Probably playing a different game. Probably the same level on a different game, you know? Make sure you prioritize the right things in your life. Okay, so write it down. Step 1, write it down. Am I going to go to the gym today? Yes or no? Circle yes, tick yes. Put yes, I'm going to the gym today. Then next, create a plan. Create a plan. Not only to the plan of the day, but a plan to do it consistently. Okay? So, oh yeah, I'm going to go to the gym today. Boom. That's one brick down. We got one brick down. We're trying to build the wall. We got one brick down. Now we got to make a plan. How are we going to lay all the other bricks? We got one brick down. How are we going to lay all the other bricks? So we're going to say, okay, so I'm going to go to the gym today. I know how to do bench press, but I can't do bench press every day because I need to recover. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do rows the next day because that's back exercises. All right, yeah, cool. And then I'm going to do legs the next day because I need to work on my legs. You know, I need to make them to be stronger. You know, and then by that time I'll probably heal my chest again, so I can do chest again. And you know what? I should probably do some cardio exercises so I can breathe better. You know, I can go up the stairs easier. So we'll do some cardio exercises as well. And you know, we might lose a bit of weight from that as well. Might lose some fat off of us as well. You know? So make a plan that's sustainable. Make a sustainable plan. A realistic, sustainable plan. And it's always easier to plan daily, not weekly. It's always easier. Today I'm going to do this. They're a daily task list. A weekly task list is okay. You can do it, but if it's always a daily task list, it's okay. For example, you can train maybe 3 days a week, and it's probably not recommended to train 7 days a week, but I train 7 days a week because it's part of my daily checklist, and I feel like I have to get it done. And it's part of my commitment to the gym. And then after the plan, next step is to commit. Commit to it. Commit to it. How do we stay committed to it? You know, in the start we have the beginning, we'll commit to it for 2-3 weeks. But after that third week, it's starting to, I can't make it, you know, I can't make it. The session with the lads, and they need me on the raid. They need me on this raid, you know. Oh, it's this new part of the DLC came out. The new DLC came out. I have to play it. I have to play it. No, shut up. You don't need to play the new game, bruv. There's always going to be another DLC, a new number 2. Yeah, brother. Realistically, remember what I said before. Where do you want to be in 10 years, bruv? If you keep doing this action, where are you going to be in 10 years? Or even 5 years, or even 1 year. If you keep doing this action, where are you going to be, bruv? If you're missing these bricks, your wall's not going to get built. If you're not placing these bricks, your wall's not going to get built. Okay? How do we stay committed? We remind ourselves of our ignorance, of what the time, why we started, why we don't want to be fat anymore, why we don't want to be in that pit anymore. What we're trying to achieve, we're trying to get out of the pit. We're trying to get out of the pit and help. Not only that, we have a higher purpose. We're trying to help other people out of the pit once we get out of the pit ourselves and achieve our goals. Okay? So remind yourself of your purpose, of why you're doing it, and stay committed. You stop making excuses as well. Like the new DLC, the new playable content in the game, the new games coming out. Don't make it silly excuses. Stick to your checklist. Stick to your daily checklist. The path you're on, look at the path you're on. Is it going to build you, or is it going to break you? Is it sending you up the pit? Is it sending you out the pit? Or is it pushing you down into the pit? Okay? I can help you. I can help you with this. I can help you. I can help plan your diet. I can help plan your workouts. I can give you a diet plan, a workout plan. I can give you one-to-one support. I can put you in a WhatsApp group and one-to-one support. I can put you in a community, and we'll do one-to-one support with you. Yeah, just give me a comment, give me a message, go on my Instagram, give me a message. Let me know if you're interested in that. And I hope you lose weight. I hope you get stronger. You know, who am I? I'm Adam. I've lost over 50 to 60 kilograms. You know, I can't lie, I'm a bit of a beast. Like, Alhamdulillah, you know, and that's not just me saying that. I've been told that before by many people. You know, people have seen me when I was at my fattest. People have seen me now when I'm an athlete. You know, I train like an athlete. Alhamdulillah. You know, praise be to God. You know, and I can help you. I can help you with this. You just got to reach out. There's stuff I can do for free as well. Just reach out, man. Because I got you, bro. I've been there, man. Just give me a message, bro. Give me a comment. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Get out there and kill it.